Hey guys, Mario Rivers here. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an ebook in Canva in under 10 minutes. This is the 2019 version. Canva's got a lot more new layouts and new options available, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Stay tuned to find out how. Part of a group of people who want bigger, who want better, and who want greater things in their life, but they don't have the luxury of having a lot to start with except for our ideals, our determination, and our grit to succeed. First of all, thank all of my new subscribers. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for joining me and trusting me with helping you get to the next step in your entrepreneurial journey. Now, this video is going to be very, very detailed, but you can skip to the part that you need. In the bottom, in the description below this video, there's going to be timestamps that show you which part you need. You could just skip around to what you want. Now, I told you this tutorial was going to be way more detailed than the last, so we're going to be talking about how to change the fonts, how to change the sizes, how to change the background color. And even if you don't have any ideas or you don't know how to get started or where to get started on writing your ebook or a physical book, I'm going to actually show you how you can do that, tell you how you can do that in this tutorial. So you'll want to stay until the very end because I cover a lot of material in this. So not only will I cover how to write the ebook, but also how to come up with ideas for it, where to come up ideas with it, and how to publish it as well. So you want to stay till the end to see how to do that. So again, thanks for joining me. Let's jump right in. All right, first you're going to go to canva.com. When you get to canva.com, it's going to bring up a screen just like you see here on your screen. Now, see, there's a new layout. So if you wanted to find an ebook, you could scroll over here, and what you'd be using is one of these two. Book cover, you'd be using book cover, or you would be using Wattpad book cover. That is where the new one is. I'm going to go and use not the Wattpad book cover, but just the book cover. All right, now when you bring up the book cover, you'll see all of these on the left hand side here are all these different designs that are already predetermined, pre-made, and you're just gonna search for one that you like. And there are some that have like multiple designs where they have like more than one page, so you can do like a theme. But let's go ahead and just pick one. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to use one that I've already created. So just to show you, these are 4 ebooks I've made for one of my online courses. We're going to use this one right here. Now, what I want to show you is over here, if you scroll, you'll see it says 1 of 2. So you know that if you click here, you see it'll show you the 2 different pages. This will be like the front page, and this will be like the second page. Okay, but let's go back. So that's 1 of 2. When all you have to do is scroll over it. See, 1 of 4. This is the different things that has changed. It used to look different. So 1, 2 different pages. So just scroll over it. It'll tell you if it has, you know, more than 1 page. And in some countries, I'm not sure if it's restricted, but I've heard a lot of people tell me that in some of the foreign countries outside of the United States that some of these designs are not available. I have no idea what countries those are. And here's the other thing is, so you see how it says nonfiction book cover? You can click all, and then it'll bring up so many more. I mean, they've added so much. And again, see, if you look here, if you scroll over them really quickly, you see how it says 1 of 4. So if you were to pick this one, you could click that. It'll populate that page, add new page. You could click this one. So you got the first page here. You can change the words, my book. And I don't know what you would want to call this. Could be like I don't know, if you were garden or something. You can change anything you want. You can change the font here. All of these are the available fonts. You just click the font you want and it'll change it there. This table of contents, you can change everything here. You can call this chapter 1 or whatever. You see how easy it is to put together. You know what? Let's go ahead and put a timer on the screen. Now, first of all, you see there's a lot of options over here. I'm going to go through this kind of quickly, and I'm just going to use this one because, like I said, there are 4 pages. And I just want to show you how easily it is. So you can drag and drop it, or let's erase that. You just do this to erase it, or hit delete, which I did. Or you could just click it once. And then you add new page, and you can put the chapters there, add new page. It's this simple. You can change this, you can change all the background stuff, add new page, and then this would be your chapter, right? So for instance, here I would just press delete on that, click that, press delete, then you can slide your own picture here and uploads. Let's just say we're doing something about how to lose weight. Okay, so I would say how to, the clock is running, so this would be weight. And again, you can highlight this and change the fonts size, make it to 96. How to copy this, lose weight, how to lose weight. And again, this is, I mean, I'm just doing this really quick. Okay, you can change, I can change the font if I wanted this to be some type of, let's see, some type of script or something like that. Let's see. All right, how to lose weight, going on a keto diet. This is just an example. All right, we'll center that. All right, you can center that. You can put your name here, your name here. All right, I'll just, now, so that's covered, done. If you had a different picture, you can just go into your uploads. You can upload an image from your computer. For lack of time, we're just gonna go ahead and go to the second page. So again, over here on the side, you have all these different options, right? Elements, you can insert shapes, you can insert pictures, you can insert all these different things. But again, for the sake of time, I'm not gonna do all that. You can insert text here, different type of text, but I usually, if I pick an ebook, I usually go with the stuff that's already there since it's already laid out for you. So table of contents, one could be dieting, two could be foods to eat, or foods to eat. Yeah, dieting, we'll put nutrition. How about that? Hold on, dieting, double click, nutrition. And mind you, like my computer, I don't have the fastest processor, but you know, dieting, nutrition, workouts, and this can be, so dieting, nutrition, workouts, and best practices. Let's just say that, best practices. All right, I don't need the other chapters, right? So I can just scroll, I can scroll down on all of these and just delete them. You know what I mean? That simple. I'm looking at the computer screen, that's why I'm not looking at y'all. All right, time is clicking. So boom, got the 4 chapters. All right, so chapter 1, right? Chapter 1, what I call it, dieting. You could be more creative, but you could say best diet for keto. All right, and again, you can either hit this to delete, you can delete image, and then you can slide your own. It could be a you know, if I delete this, it can be a separate background with whatever color you want, but let's just find another one with people running. Here, we'll slide that. You can either click or slide, press delete. So the new thing is, you just got to make sure that when you click it and you slide it, you make sure it's able to populate the picture. Okay, because sometimes it won't populate. So just drag and slide it until you see the picture. Chapter 1, best keto for diet. Best diet for keto. And then you start your chapter. Now here's what I do. As you can see in this tab, I've already written this article. This is what I do with all of my things. I already have this stuff written out. So all I do, copy, and then I go back to my ebook, and I use shortcuts. Command A, because I'm on the Mac, paste. And there you go, right there. You could, since this is we don't want it to be on the bottom of the page, so you could just basically highlight that, and you see down here, I think I might need to increase the size on that. At the bottom, you could put page 1 of 25. You could do them one at a time, and then when you get done, you could change it. Anyway, so then you know you got to make sure all of this stuff matches. Chapter 1, which is, what was it? Best diet for keto. And again, this is just, I I would have all this all written out. So let's say if I wanted to add another page, right? I go back over here to templates. If I wanted to add another page like this, I just click that. There goes another text page. I go back to my document and get this stuff right here. Right click, copy, go back to my ebook to the second page here. See, I said 1 of 25. So actually, I would just delete that and make a copy of this page. Since it has already chapter 1 and already has 1 of 25, you just hit that to copy the page. Still chapter 1. You could change this to 2. Then you can click this, Command A, right click, paste and match style. You can slide this up as you need to. There you go. And just like that, I have the front page. I have the table of contents and chapters. And look, you can change the background colors to whatever you want. If you want it to be blue, you just select the background and select the color here, and either it'll change it just like that. So easy to do. Here you can go to elements if you wanted to. Let's say if you wanted to add a frame, right? Let's say I wanted to add a frame and I want to put my picture in it. And again, this is just, I'm just really just blowing through this. I'm not actually being intentional. I'm just like messing around, just trying to get this for you. So see, I can slide a picture in there. There you go. If you wanted to change anything. Now, we've already talked about how to write the ebook. We've talked about changing fonts. We've talked about font sizes. We talked about the background. Now I'm going to give you a little bit of a tutorial on Canva itself and how to find different themes and things like that. So you guys watch the screen here and we'll cover that. I'll also go over how to add and upload pictures from your computer or anything like that. So as you see here, we're on the Canva home page here. Here, if you click in this search bar, you can see here they have Instagram post, Facebook post, poster, Facebook cover. So let's just say you're looking for a YouTube, something for YouTube. There's a channel art and a YouTube thumbnail. It'll take you right to it. And this is if you just wanted to do a search. Now, I told you guys already, you can go through these Canva print book cover, Wattpad book cover, flyer, YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post. If you click over here, you'll see all the different options that you have here, and it's that simple. So whatever you need, you can select it here. Or let's say if I wanted to design a 5x7, I could click custom dimensions here, and if I wanted to make it a 5x7, I do width 7 5x7 and just click create new design, and it'll create a new template for you right here within Canva. So that's why I love Canva. It's such a diverse tool. So I want to do YouTube thumbnail art for it. So what I'm going to do here, I select YouTube thumbnail, and as you see here, over here I can click any type of template, just like any of them. Whenever you select anything, the templates will be over here to the left. So I go to uploads over here, and you see I have the pictures here for my family. So I just click it over, slide it over. When you get to the design, you just click what you want. You can double click it. I can type what I want in. I can change the font here. I can change the size here. I can change the color of the font here. And these or you can even select your own color by clicking this plus, and you know, you can click here. It'll give you options for any colors, and then you can slide it to make the color, you know, you see that it's changing the color there. You see the text on my screen. Let's talk about uploading pictures. You go to uploads over here, you click upload an image. When you click upload an image, there's going to be a pop-up box. When the pop-up box comes up, you can choose anything. Press open when you click on the picture. When you click open, it will add it to your suite of pictures over here, and then you'll have it available to drag and download into any of your designs. One added note here, when you click a design, up here you'll see it says music YouTube thumbnail, food YouTube thumbnail, beauty. You can click all and it'll give you all of the thumbnails or designs templates related to music or related to food. So if I click all here, it'll give you everything related to food. That's why this is such a robust tool. And if you, let's just say you had something different and you wanted to type sports, so you type in sports here, click, and it'll give you all the templates pre-made already for that particular thing that you're searching for. Now, I want to thank you for sticking around. I told you I was going to tell you how you could come up with ideas. And the way you can do that from start to finish on how to write a book, publish it, and all of the things that you need for that, you can go to mariorivers.com/books from scratch. It's a video series that'll show you how to do that from start to finish, because if I tried to cover that in this tutorial, it would be 30 minutes long. So you want to go to mariorivers.com/books from scratch, and that can get you started on ideas and publishing as far as the specifics of an ebook. Now, I have a lot of online tutorials that cover exactly how to do this. It's a books from scratch course that I have. You can enroll in that one. The description will be below if you're interested in doing that. But right now, you can get access to every single course I have in my online business tutorial for only $45. If you're interested in learning more about that, and you get full lifetime access to every single course, that's whether you want to start a business, whether you want to write a book. It's going to be, if you want to find your target market, everything you need from how to create info products to create a business around them is going to be separate courses in my online business startup university. And again, you can get all access membership to that. Just click the link in the description that says all access membership. Hey guys, thank you so much for staying till the end of the tutorial. I hope that it has brought you a ton of value. I want you to do two things. After watching this video, I want you to leave a comment below and let me know what else you would like me to make tutorials on. And also, you know what every YouTuber asks you to do before you get out of here. So please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification so you can know anytime I come out with a video. Again, thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Peace, blessings, and prosperity to you.